Hi, my name is Nahla. I'm a lease contract manager in Americana. Today we had a session with SaveFast Training Academy. It was a very useful session for the first aid training. It's actually very important to each employee, to each family member, to everyone to have it. Sometimes we are in such situation where we really need help, or we might be in a situation where we need to provide help for other people. So it was really very useful, very important.
Hello, I'm Mohammed Abdel Salam. I'm working in Americana as a HR planning and analytics. Really, today course was amazing. Okay, we learned a lot of things related to the first aid. Okay, really great information. A lot of information will help us, to save life. Okay, and support people. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much again for the SaveFast Training Academy, and best of luck. Thank you.